Good morning children. Welcome to the maths class. Children, in the previous class before the quarterly examination we have done subtraction sums. Today we are going to do subtraction word problem sums. Children, this is your maths classwork notebook. From the top side leave this top line. In the next line, after leaving 3 boxes from the left hand side, write down subtraction word problem sums. It is also called as story sums. Write down this in the bracket. And children, if this will not cover in the one line, so you can use another line for writing this. Now after that leave one line. Now in the next line, after leaving 2 boxes from the left hand side, write down question number A. Nehal had 652 beads. She used 374 beads to make a necklace for Granny. How many beads were left with her? Children, here a story is given. Nehal had 652 beads. How many beads total Nehal had? She had 652 beads. And out of this, she has used 374 beads to make a necklace for her granny. Children, granny means grandmother. So she has used 374 beads to make a necklace for her grandmother. Now the question is, how many beads were left with her? So let's start this solution. After the question, leave this line, and after that line, in the next line, after leaving 2 boxes from the left hand side, write down solution. Children, this is the short form of solution. S-O-L-N, solution. Short form of solution. In the same line of the solution, write down H-T-O. And after H-T-O, leave the next line for writing the borrows. Now after this line, write down total number of beads. Children, this N-O means number. It is the short form of number. So total number of beads is equal to 652. Now number of beads used. Again children, here NO means number. It is the short form of number. So number of beads used is equal to 374. Now children, we have to find that number of beads were left with Nehal. So for that we have to subtract both the numbers. We have to subtract 374 from 652. So the next statement will be, therefore, this 3 dots. Children, this 3 dot means therefore. Therefore, number of beads left is equal to, so let's solve this. Now 652 minus 374. Let's start this. Now children, you can see in the ones place we have 2 and 4. We have to subtract 4 from 2. But as you can see, 2 is smaller than 4 and 4 is bigger than 2. So we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So what should we do now? We have to borrow 1 10 from the tens place. So when we will borrow 1 10 from the tens place, this 2 will become 12. And in the tens place, 1 10 will be less. So here we have 5. So as 1 10 will be less, so this 5 will become 4. Now in the tens place children, you can see we have 4 and 7. We have to subtract 7 from 4. But 4 is smaller than 7 and 7 is bigger than 4. So we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So again we have to borrow 100 from the hundreds place. So when we will borrow 100 from the hundreds place, this 4 will become 14. It will become now 14 tens. And as we are borrowing from the hundreds place, so 100 will be less. So this 6 will become now 5. It will become now 500. So children, whatever the borrows are required, we have done that. Now let's find to get the answer. Now 12 minus 4 is 8 and 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So we got the answer 278. So children, after this answer, leave the line. Then in the next line, write down answer is 278 beads left. Now children, question number B. A fruit seller had 532 bananas in his stall. A group of monkeys ate 187 bananas. How many bananas were left in the stall? Children, this question number B you have to solve by your own, and do this both the questions in your maths classwork notebook. Okay, thank you children. Have a good day.